What is financial literacy? This is something that is often talked about. And today we're going to answer the all popular question that many people struggle with. They're like, is financial literacy something that I should be concerned about? Yes, it is. The reason why is that do you know the secrets to becoming a millionaire? How is it that some people are able to retire a millionaire and others are stuck working to age 78, 80, 85, and even 90 years old? It all has to do with financial literacy. Let's go. Let's get it started. Let me tell you what you need to know so that you too can retire a millionaire. Financial literacy is all about your income coming in, and then do you have a budget? What are your expenses? Do you have debt, savings, cash, equity? What does all this mean? All this means is that if you have the financial knowledge, you will be able to use the knowledge to help you discover the behaviors that you need to input so that you can enjoy your life, have a nice lifestyle. But would you go out making $50,000 buy this expensive car? No, you wouldn't do it. But guess what? Some people spend all their money on luxury items that go down in value. They don't help you. Here's the problem: they don't understand how financial literacy works. You have money coming in and money going out. Financial literacy is all about controlling your money. A lot of people start off making, say, $40,000 in income, and then they get a raise. They get a 3% raise. Next year, they get another 3% raise. But guess what? They are still broke, right back where they started. Why? Because they're spending time trying to show off in front of their friends, saying, look, I make all this money, so I'm going to buy this nice purse, this nice car, so you can see that I make $100,000. But guess what? That is not smart. Financial literacy is all about being smart with your money. Here's what you want to do: get something to write with, get a pen, paper, because the information is going to help you build generational wealth so that you can become a millionaire. Here is the secret: income. Say you're making $50,000. You're age 30, you're making $50,000. What you need to do is write up a budget. If you don't like writing on a piece of paper, get a software app. There's so many tools that's available. You can even use an Excel spreadsheet. Take the amount of money you have coming in, your income. Now deduct your fixed expenses. You're going to have to pay for your car insurance, your cell phone bill, etc. Take all those and now deduct. How much do you have left over? If you at the end of the month you have an extra $500, you have a choice. You can go in debt by buying the new iPhone 15. You can buy some new shoes. You can even go on vacation, or you can save the money and put it in a savings account. However, money that's in a savings account or just sitting in the bank as cash, they don't earn enough money. Why? You have something called inflation. This is where financial knowledge and financial literacy is so important. If you take a $20 bill right now, put it under the couch, go back and get the $20 bill 10 years down the future, guess what? The $20 bill would not be able to buy the same amount of McDonald's French fries or etc. Why? Because the cost of French fries is going to go up. McDonald's is going to raise their price. Why? They're going to say the cost of labor has increased. The cost to buy those nice potatoes have increased. Thus, today, $3 for a small fry. 10 years, you might be paying $5 for some small fries. You've seen it. Look at the Snicker bars. Snickers is going up in price. Everything is going up in price. This is why if you put your $20 under the mattress, it's basically losing money. It's losing money. So what do millionaires do and people who are smart? They take that extra $500 and they invest it in something that's going to go up in value. The easiest way to become wealthy is to buy S&P 500, sticker symbol VOO. This is a Vanguard symbol. Do your own research. This is something that I do out of my personal lifestyle. What I know is this: I want to be a millionaire. The S&P 500 has 500 businesses. Have you heard of Apple? Have you heard of Amazon? If so, comment below. If these businesses are familiar with you and you want to become wealthy and own these companies, all you have to do is buy the S&P 500. And this is why it's called equity. Equity means you're buying apartment buildings. Guess what? Did you know you can even buy Simon Mall for as little as $100? You can have ownership in the mall. How? The S&P 500 also has REITs, real estate investment trusts. These are companies that go out and buy apartment buildings, commercial lots. They buy them all. And guess what? For $100, you too can also become an owner. So let's recap. Once again, financial literacy is all about making sure that you have the financial knowledge. Yep, you have to know how things work. What's the difference between a savings account? A savings is meant for you to just put it to the side so it's nice and safe. You earn 3%, 1%. If you're lucky, 2%. Basically, you just want to stash it away. You don't want it to go up in value. Then what you do, you take your financial knowledge and then you apply behavior. Behavior is what? Is buying equity, things that go up in value. And then soon you too will be able to retire a millionaire. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Bye.